Hi there kitchen family and welcome to our channel. Today I have a sad announcement to make. That is that I will be stopping with YouTube. It was fun for the time being, but it wasn't my way. And we all have to follow our own way. Therefore I decided that it would be best for me to stop. But on the bright side, Joe will be making a lot of new videos. And he will keep uploading every week. And the recipe I have in mind for you today, because this will be my last video, is something special. It is my secret chocolate Guinness pie recipe, based on the chocolate Guinness pie of Nigella Lawson. So if you like chocolate and if you like a good stout Guinness beer, then this is something for you. You are going to need 250 grams of butter, 375 milliliters of Guinness, 350 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla or vanilla extract, which one you prefer, 75 grams of cocoa, 150 grams of sour cream, and 250 grams of flour. And later on, for the glazing, the topping, you will need 300 grams of cream cheese, 125 grams of double cream, and powdered sugar to taste. I'm using about 75 grams. Very important, I forgot to mention it at the beginning of the video, but don't forget to add 2.5 teaspoons of baking soda and a half a teaspoon of salt to the flour. Preheat an oven at 180 degrees centigrade, not Fahrenheit. Then cut the butter into little pieces and let it melt in a pan alongside with the Guinness. Butter has melted, so now it is time to add in your cocoa powder and your sugar. Mix it through. Once your sugar and cocoa powder are mixed through, turn down the heat. Everything is thoroughly combined. Pour everything into the baking tray. Put this into the oven for about 45 minutes till an hour. While the pie is baking, it's time to make our topping. Add your cream cheese, your double cream, and a bit of sugar. Start mixing. After 45 minutes, check if the cake is ready. Chocolate Guinness pie. We're putting in a pricker or something of the sort. And if it comes out clean, pie is done. does not come out clean here, so it's not done yet. It needs another 5 more minutes. It's not done yet. Give it another 5 minutes in the oven, maybe 10. Then check again. In the meantime, crack your eggs into a bowl. Add your sour cream. And 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Whisk it for a few minutes. Once you are done mixing, taste the mixture if it is sweet enough. If it's not sweet enough, add more sugar. Once your pie has cooled down, add the icing on top. And then, once everything is on there, spread it out with a spoon. To make it look like this is a good glass of Guinness beer. Because the pie already has the color of Guinness. And if you spread out, something like this. Now she'll move the camera now. It kind of looks like a glass of Guinness beer. Thank you for watching. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And share the video with your friends. We would like to hit the 1000 subscribers this year.